Hello everybody, and welcome back to the Moneypit Homestead. Well, we got a different video, another different video today. No, we're not cooking anything yet, but we're going to, I got something last year, at probably mid to early last year, and I haven't had time to put it together yet, or haven't taken time to put it together yet. Lisa was teasing me the other night when we were talking to somebody, and she said it had been 3 years. Well, it hasn't been 3 years, because when she ran the date back, guess what? It was when I bought the other Pit Boss. Yes, I did buy that one 3 years ago, and we've been cooking on it, and it's been fabulous ever since. Love that smoker, the vertical smoker, the Pit Boss Series 5 vertical smoker. I can't say enough about it. But anyway, she was teasing me pretty hard. We had a lot of fun with it. Anyway, I'm going to I'll show a picture of it here in a minute, and then we're going to start putting it together. And hopefully we get it together sometime today, because usually something comes up and I don't get the chance to work on it. But I have, since I got rode out so hard the other night, I am going to do my best to put it together with no interruptions today. Pray for me. By the way, Lisa was listening a minute ago when I gave this little intro, and we paused for a second. I went inside and I said, "Oh, you heard. What did you think about that?" She didn't like it. She was teasing. She goes, "No, I don't like it at all." But she was teasing.
I almost forgot. This is what we'll be working on today. A new wood pellet grill, austinxl, made by Pitboss. And I'm hoping it does just as good as the Pitboss that I already have, the vertical series number 5. So anyway, now that we got that settled, let's start putting this thing, taking it out and putting it together.
Well, temporarily we halted the installing of putting together the austinxl. To show you the amount of rain, we had about a ½ inch rain yesterday, or yeah, yesterday. And then we're gonna come down here and show you a little surprise. Check the water. Hey, come here. What you got to work with it for? They just like the food. Come on, you can get the camera. Look who's down here playing with the babies today. Oh, it's a beautiful sunset. Gals are eating good.
No, get down. I'm mad at you. Get down.
Just why? Because they was barking at each other when they were trying to eat?
Yes, she's not.
Which one, Gracie?
This one.
Gracie. Here, it's recording as the loud motor goes by. I'm gonna check the water. Hot rod.
You gotta share, Missy. You gotta share. We gave them a little pork steak, and Gracie did not want to share. Now stop barking. Oh my goodness. Be good. Be good. Be good. You act like you're starving. Is it good? Say, would have been a lot better if we cut it up. Be good. Yeah. Holly. No, Gracie, don't go over there and eat hers.
She won.
Well, I don't know what to do. What are you doing, huh? You like that dog food? You rather have that than the steak? You're that good girl. You're a good girl, aren't you? Yes, you are. No, Gracie, stay over there and eat your... Nah, you don't have to bark. Y'all are getting so big. Hey, it's just me. It's just me. It's just me. You gotta be nice when you eat. You can't... You gotta be nice when you eat. Hey. Gotta be nice when you eat. You gotta be nice when you eat.
What you doing? Did you have fun playing with Lisa tonight? Did you? Did you? What you want now? What are you wanting? I played with you for a second. Yeah. 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 Well, like I said, we get interrupted every now and then. So, by the time we got back from the barn, me and Lisa got back from the barn yesterday, it was a little late. We got something to eat, and it was a little darker out here than I wanted to try to film in. So here we are the next day, and hopefully we don't get any interruptions today while I'm finishing this up. And I guess we'll find out. But I'm getting started on this again. So if you can, keep following along, and hopefully you're enjoying this video so far, and you will continue to enjoy it. Well, like I said, we got interruptions. My daughter and the husband and the kids, they all showed up over here a minute ago, and they've got a new van. Well, it's not new, it's new to them, but it's a used van, but it's a, what was it, a Toyota? It was a Toyota something. Anyway, hopefully you can see this, because for whatever reason it just seemed to get a little dark. But we do have some storms that might move in today. So anyway, I'm going to continue working on this. It's almost done, and hopefully today it gets done. Huh?
I know. I went to the grocery and bought grilling material.
Yeah, so the pressure's on Donald to get this going, but it's going to have to season out. After I get it all together, I'll have to fire it up and let it season in, and then we can start grilling. So we're going to grill some more. I mean, we're going to work some more. Well, that was a short little version right there. I didn't have a whole lot to do to finish it up. I just had to, after they left, after I said what I said a while ago about them getting new, put the new trays in, put the burn plate in, the sear plate. It's got a sear plate. You can sear steaks. You can do pretty much anything you can do on a grill, you can do on this thing. And you can also, anything you can do on smoke on that one, my vertical 5 series 5, you can kind of do on this one, but I'm gonna keep that one for my smoker as long as it works. I'm gonna keep this one for grilling and hamburgers and all that good stuff. But anyway, steaks, hopefully maybe we'll have a steak one day. I don't know. Meat's getting too high unless you good. We got some steaks over in the freezer, so we'll probably have a few of them. So I'm going to fill the hopper, and I've got to have what they call a burn off time, and at the end of the burn off time we'll come back. I'll have to clean it up, and once we get everything good and clean, then we'll probably have a barbecue. So y'all keep coming along with us. Well, we finally got it up to temp. Got everything percolating the way it's supposed to be. It's up to temperature. Temperature gauge is here. It's got to burn all this whatever they had on it off. So we're going to let it go like this for another 40 minutes and turn it off, and then we'll clean it up and probably do a little grilling. So until then, y'all keep coming along with us, because the Pit Boss is ready to do some grilling. Well, 40 minutes is up, and as you can see, we've got it all fixed. We've got it burn off now. So now that we got the burn off, I'm gonna turn it off, let it cool off, clean it up, and it'll be ready to do a little barbecuing on tonight. So can't wait. So I'm gonna turn this off now, and I'll be back when we fire it up a little bit more and see what we cook tonight. I'm looking forward to whatever it is. Well, I let it cool off. I've cleaned it all down. I've wiped everything down. I'm firing it back up because we're going to cook some hamburgers. We're going to cook some cabbage rolls. I'm not sure what I know, hot dogs and stuff like that. Anyway, I'm going to probably stop this video here, and I may video the end process in this, put it in another video, but I'm sure this video is long enough as it is. But what you're seeing here right now is it's warming up. You open the door, you leave them open for a little while, let all that smoke, the dirty, what they call dirty smoke, when it's first burning, you burn it off, and when it starts to clean up like it is now, a while ago it was real bad, and as it starts now, I'll lower the door and keep it burning. The other thing is, they got charcoal pellets, and I forget who makes them, but I saw them at Walmart. They're a little bit more expensive, but after this cook, I think I'm going to switch out on this pellet grill to the charcoal burners to give you more of a charcoal flavor. But this will, I don't see it now, but it says it'll grill. It does all kinds of things. Let me get my phone just a second. I took a picture of it a while ago, and it says it'll grill, smoke, bake, roast. It'll sear. It's got this right here. It's a cover. You move that cover over, and you can sear your food with it. I mean, it's hot. You can braise, you can charcoal grill, and barbecue. So this is a very versatile grill, and I think it'll be really good for grilling and everything. And as you can see right now, it's a high temperature and it's not putting out a lot of smoke. I'm sure you get a little smoke flavor to it, or charcoal, whatever you got. But anyway, I'm sure I'll put in the next video how the food tasted. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it was long, but it takes a minute to put some of this stuff together. And until next time, may God bless your days the way He always does ours. See ya.